Welcome to the training video. In this video, we focus on understanding what API coverage means. Essentially, what HyperTest does is help teams understand how much of their application is currently covered with HyperTest's test automation. So HyperTest automatically creates these test cases, completely removing the need to write or maintain any test. But a useful metric to understand if HyperTest is covering enough of your application for you is something called API coverage. If you click on this button called Start New Test, you have something called a test window, which you select to run a specific number of requests or flows during a test. But an important metric to track is something called API coverage, which essentially is a metric for the depth of testing of your application. HyperTest automatically figures out the number of APIs that are called when you are testing a service, and it can also give you how many of those APIs would be tested in any specific test suite when you plan to start the test. If you have an API spec available, it can provide you coverage. What this means is that if you have, let's say, a total of 589 APIs, how many of those would be tested in this suite? In the example that you can see on the screen, the number of APIs that would be included in the test suite is 4. How this helps teams is that once they understand and see the coverage, they can alter the test window to increase coverage, or if they think that their coverage is low enough, they can just concentrate on the APIs which are consistently uncovered in their API test automation. Go ahead and do manual testing of those APIs, and they would automatically be covered by the HyperTest app. And a way to keep checking that is our API coverage report. Hope you were able to understand the video. If you need any help, reach out to us from this button right here, and we'd be happy to help.